morning, everyone. So it's time to sort out this spice rack of mine. Look at it. It's all in a mess. Taking some output there. So let's go ahead and sort out what spices I've got, what I can decant into another jar of the same, and write a list of the things that I need. I'm spending today in my jammies. Excuse the state. I've not long been up, I suppose. I haven't brushed my hair or anything, so let's get crack-a-lacking. Right. Mushroom and Italian herbs, ground sweet almond. So I've sort of sorted them out here. So I've still got a little bit of the Nando shaker. Onion, salt, garlic granules, mixed herbs, rosemary, parsley, cayenne pepper, crushed chilies, ground ginger, star anise, turmeric, ground nutmeg, cumin seeds, ground coriander. Here are both sweet, ground sweet cinnamons, both of these here, that one there. Ground cinnamon, smoked paprika, Jamaican jerk seasoning. Here I've got 4 of the mushroom and Italian herb seasoning, 2 of the mixed spice there, ground nutmeg, oregano, Old Bay seasoning, Chinese salt and chili pepper seasoning. And here I've got Cajun seasoning, Caribbean jerk style, peri peri salt seasoning, and Mexican shaker. Then here I've got smoked paprika, this one, there we go, that's it, that's better. And then here I've got the really garlicky roasted garlic and sea salt. So I'm just gonna pop them all back in their little rack. There we go. And there we go, so that looks a whole lot better, and I can see exactly what I've got, and I've gone through dates, etc. So I know sort of what I need to buy, which actually isn't a lot at the moment, so that is really good. So I tried to keep the sweeter things that I use in, like sort of sweet things, down the bottom here, and the rest is all just wherever I could fit it, but all sort of more sort of spicy, savoury type of things. So there we go. That's me organising my spice rack today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, I'd really appreciate that. And take care of yourselves. I'll talk to you all in my next video. But there we go. Good job. So I could do with some new batteries in the little lights I've got there as well.